They know me so well. They're already playing Hot Girl Summer! How cute! We are back at the cabin.
Hey, MTV,
Oh, hello there. Hello there. How cute. We got goodies.
Yes.
Camp Boohoo. It's a whole party in here. Back at the cabin. How cute. I love it. So guys, this is my first look at Camp Boohoo. I paired this dress, this cute dress, are these flowers? Yeah, they're flowers, with this jacket and my Doc Marten boots. Ready to eat. So we got all dressed up and Taylor's over there about to post. Ew. You're a little blurry, but it's okay. But why is there lotion by the bed? It's like pouring outside, like pouring.
Then no problem, this can go.
She's about to take off her wig.
This can go.
Oh my god. But yeah, it's pouring, and so we thought dinner was gonna be canceled, but no. They said the party must go on. They're coming with carts and umbrellas. Carts and umbrellas. Holy smokes. Oh, the umbrellas are here. And they're soaked. This is really pretty though. It's kind of relaxing. A little thunder. He never killed nobody before though.
Has it?
Has thunder killed someone before?
Lightning has.
Lightning has? Yeah. How are we gonna do this?
I'm gonna run onto the golf cart and I'm gonna meet you.
With these umbrellas? How about we just have dinner in the room?
Wait, isn't dinner outside?
I'm really scared. I'm really scared. How do they do it? They're used to this, huh? They're used to this rain. Wow. You're a G. We made it on. The rain settled down.
Yes.
Let's get it. And we're off. Hi, beautiful people. Hi.
It feels so good right It does.
Homemade cornbread. Kale Brussels vinegar slaw. Crisp romaine salads. Cauliflower, corn on the cob. My favorite, mac and cheese. Ooh, we about to eat good tonight. I'm gonna go back to LA and be like super thick.
The buffet is open.
I'm about to be super thick in LA. Like, exactly. Exactly.
Wait, I wonder where Nina is.
What do we do for mac and cheese?
Twerk for the mat. Twerk, twerk for the mat. Twerk, twerk for the mat. Twerk, twerk. I'ma take you home with me. I got money in the bank. Baby girl, what's your name? Let me talk to you. Let me know you again. Wait, what? Wait, when you got your Hi. Is there any more breakfast? Good morning. Hi. Woohoo. We made it in time for breakfast. Yes. Oh, this looks good. At the cabin, Boohoo has
close every day where we can come and just pick out a few things if you need anything. I love you guys. Hey guys, it's your girl Janina, and I am here at Camp Boohoo, and it's day 2, but I have absolutely no idea what to wear. Can you guys help me? This was my final decision, and now I am going to go get some lunch at camp. Thank you guys. They're about to do the blob. Oh. Oh. That was so anticlimactic. Right? No. We're all sitting here contemplating who's gonna do the blob. Is it gonna be you? No. Is it gonna be me? No. Taylor? No.
Alright, so we're headed back to the... Nina, what are you doing?
What?
Why do you have your heels on and your sandals in your hand when we walking up the hill? What? Okay. I guess she about to strut up this hill. Yes, yes, yes. Don't break your ankle. Don't break your ankle. Don't break your ankle. Yeah. Oh, okay. All right.
All right, so we are back at the cabin, and we are about to unwind finally. I feel dirty and stank. So I am off to the pool and got my outfit on, my Boohoo shorts, and they are doing tie-dye by the pool, so let's go check it out and see what's going on. I may make something tie-dye, you know? Camp activities.
Teach me.
The lighter green. No, not that one. Oh yeah, that's it.
You trying to throw me off, huh? Thought you could throw me off?
How fun! Is that a tie-dye sock? I love it!
You have to
Kelly! Let's do it! I've never done tie-dye before. I've never done. I'm new to a lot of things here. Do I need to wet this top first?
You don't have to. It's up to you. You can.
Sorry. Oh my God, you're wearing a white shirt.
Most of them have been done dry.
And then you just pick colors? I love your art.
Wet
And pour it on?
Wet kind of looks more like that, which I
Do
like.
we not have any more yellow?
Do I just squirt the colors on there?
Yeah, you wrap a bunch of rubber bands around it.
A bunch of rubber bands?
Yeah.
So any of these rubber bands,
Okay.
and then make knots or like tie it into little balls, like little sections. You can do
Step by
anything with a tie-dye.
Okay.
You got so much better by your second one.
Oh,
that's so cute. How is everyone getting them like evenly spaced? I'm so proud of you guys.
My first tie-dye.
Okay, those are cute. That's rad.
We're about to go and explore the lake. You guys excited?
Yes. I'm hoping to
It's
find
so pretty. A toad? Interesting. Day 3. We are off to go shoot some content. Back to school. This lake, so pretty. we just did a quick wardrobe change. Camp Boohoo. We are about to go do field day and see what activities they have. I think they were talking about like tug of war and
I forgot my gloves.
beanbag sacks or something. I don't know, it sounds crazy, but
And we get to have bingo later.
Dingle was his name. Oh, MacDonald had a farm. E-I-E-I-O. Look at our referees.
Yes, with the pink brush.
So cute. What happened? Tell me about it.
I don't even remember. Honestly. This happened though to my van.
They tried to prank us.
No, we did. We did prank them. So influencers.
They did
were like,
tug of war and they didn't pull it.
No, we were
And
like,
we
all right, we're
all
gonna let go. It
Oh,
was great content.
Alright, let's go check out this garden dinner. So guys, it's the last night. We're in our pajamas. We're packed. Taylor's in her pajamas. Packed. And now